Let's start with 4 techniques you can use to curl your hair with a curling iron. Take a small section of hair and wrap it around the barrel. Don't twist the strand, making sure it lays flat on a rod. Give your hair enough time to form a curl. After you release the strand, cup the coiled curl in your hand. Clip it near your head and let it cool down in this position. This creates a tighter curl and is a great hack to use if you have long, thick hair that wouldn't hold a curl. Another method is to wrap this section around the wand while also twisting it. If you are using a curling iron, don't put the clip down. This technique creates nice spiral curls, which you may stretch and separate a bit for a softer and looser look that is so popular now. For the third technique, place the section on the barrel and secure it with a clip. Slowly rotate half a turn and slide down, releasing the wrapped section from the iron. This way, you can achieve beautiful ribbon curls with a beach wave effect. One more method to curl your hair is to wrap this section around the barrel, secure it with a clip, and rotate the curling iron. This creates tighter ringlets. For technique number 5, use a straightener. Secure the strand in the middle of the heating plates. Rotate half a turn and slide the flat iron down the section, maintaining attention. For beautiful and uniform curls, make sure you curl away from your face and slide the iron down at the same speed. Another type of curl you can get with a flat iron is a soft wave. Secure the strands between the plates and slide down, rotating the iron half a turn all the time. Move slowly and maintain tension to get the desired texture. The following technique with a flat iron is the best way to curl very long hair. Secure the strand between the plates, rotate a full turn, and slide the straightener down as long as you can. Then release the strand and secure the next part of the section between the plates to repeat the same process. Now, when you have chosen your favorite tool and technique, it's time to curl your locks. Start by sectioning and pinning up hair you won't be working on yet. Spray the sectioned hair with a heat protectant spray and brush it over to distribute the product evenly. We'll be using a flat iron and a full turn rotation technique. Hold the flat iron diagonally, with the handle taking the upper position. Secure the strand between the plates and rotate a full turn away from your face so that the tail returns to its initial front position. Now, slowly slide the flat iron down, maintaining tension and making sure the tail remains between the plates. As you reach the ends, you can switch to a more vertical position to narrow down the curl. For a modern hairstyle, keep the ends straight. To make the curls look natural, use a pick comb to separate the curls. If you don't have one, comb your hair with your fingers. Separate the next layer and pin up the rest of your hair. It is best to divide hair into 3 or 4 layers, separating hair above the ears and then near the temples. If you have very thick hair, do even more layers. To get beautiful and lasting curls, it is important to set the right temperature, which should let the curls set without frying your hair. If your hair is colored, the optimal temperature would be 150 to 170 degrees Celsius. If not, go for 180 to 200 degrees. If you want to master a new curling technique, practice with a cold tool, not to damage your hair, and get consistent results throughout your mane. Remember that you should curl away from your face, so you will have to alternate the hands holding the flat iron and the direction of rotation depending on whether you make curls on the right or left side of your head. Pick comb each curled layer before moving on to the next one. To get more volume at the crown, back comb the top sections, spraying them with a dry shampoo or soft hold spray for texture. When curling front sections, start as close to the scalp as possible for nice face framing. Separate the clumps for loose, flowy curls and spray with a hairspray for better hold. If you want to add messy beach vibes, apply some sea salt spray and scrunch the curls. This will give them more structure and definition too. Subscribe to our channel for easy hair tutorials and hairstyle inspiration.